looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Compass 80th Special Edition in Velvet Red Pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, electronic park brake, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6590.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.